You chew pancakes, but you're not tasting. To truly party, one must leave behind the problems that are
You ready?
and open one's mind-eye. I'm just kidding. You guys are party animals. This is just a sticker. You can stay in our cave as long as you want.
That's what I've been
I got
trying
time.
to tell you, man.
Because I want to come off.
This isn't a game. Y'all are partying.
That'd be too much.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's definitely the weirdest cave I've ever seen.
You trip. Wait a sec, I get on my shoes.
You ready?
No.
Ready?
No. Stop asking if I'm ready. I gotta go on shoes and a coat.
You ready for me? Are you ready? Dude, come on. How many times am I going to have to say I'm ready? Just walk out there with that on. You're just going to stand there? All right.
That's really cool.
It's right here.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. It's cold. Hurry up, just do it, just do it. Hang on. Do a side flip. Just one more.
All right, go, go, go,
Go
go,
honk,
go.
go honk.
Ah! Oh my God.
What's your reaction to that?